Hey, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 Beetle Convertible. This is a clutchless manual. Still got to shift it. There's no clutch. Pretty cool. What we do in these videos, take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. It's got the 4-cylinder in it. Nice quiet little motor. Check out maplemotors.com for additional photos. Also, financing and shipping is available. We ship all over the country. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all the good social media. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? A little game we like to play. And we will start her up here. Gas gauge is coming up on the dash. It's showing 71,000 miles. Try that horn out. Y'all ready? It works. Wipers, they work. I'm not 100% sure. We don't get a lot of these, what all this stuff is on the dash, but we'll try the... Oh man, the radio works. Coming right out here in your face. To shift this one, you gotta let off the gas and shift it. It's got a 3-speed in it. Just to show you an example. Push in, up to the left, there's your reverse. Take your e-brake off, which is working. And then you push down. There's your neutral. And when we take off, we're gonna push down and come back towards me, and that'll be low gear. We'll see how she drives. Okay. Getting ready to take off down the road. I'll tell you anything that I see, that way you know what you're getting before you get here. Let's see if I can drive this thing. This is the first time I've drove automatic clutch. So I'll try not to mess anything up here. This one has been lowered a little bit, so it's a little bit bumpier, and the road's all messed up here. I'm gonna go for a shit. Looks like all gears are working. Speedometer's coming up. Pretty accurate. A little bit of slack in the steering, you see that? Not perfect, but it still feels good. Turning there and there. Try our brakes before we get too close. Brakes feel good. This automatic clutch is working pretty good. Turn signals popping up on the dash. What we're going to do here is pull off in this parking lot, go ahead and get some outside shots. That way you can see what it looks like driving by, driving over the camera. I'm trying to give you all aspects of a test drive. You'll see my gear. Look below in the description. I post everything down there with an Amazon link. So far, so good. All right. Okay, so far so good. Getting ready to take off here. After driving around the parking lot a little bit, I feel like I actually took off in second from the lot. Still took off good, but that right there, let me check, is low gear, yes. Yeah, it's definitely low gear. See, when I took off earlier, I got all the way up to about 35. I was like, wait a second. Shifted back down to first, it slowed down. So yeah, this is about 25 tops here in low gear, maybe a little faster. Let's try it out now. You hear it? You can let off the gas, put it up into first. Let off the gas, put it into second. Well, it'd be third. Now we're cruising. This thing's pretty cool. I feel like I'm driving a go-kart. This road here has a speed bump in it. This would be a good indication to, you know, try, because this car's been lowered. Speed bump's coming up about right here. Oh yeah, a little bumpy. Nice car. Waiting on the light. GTO. turning off into the lot. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you have any other questions, definitely check out my website. Try to get you hooked up with detailed pictures, financing, shipping information, all that good stuff. If you enjoyed this channel, please hit that subscribe button.